My fellow citizens, I'm Carol Clark, and I'm running for mayor of the great city of East Orange. On June 4th, I'm asking you to come out and cast your vote for Line C, Democrats Connecting People for Progress. This election is about who do you trust? Who you trust with the reins of leadership for our city. I submit to you that the people you know and the leaders you trust are on Line C. I was born and raised in this city. This is my home. I am not running for office for any kind of political or personal gain. I'm running because I care about what happens to our city, and I know that I'm the most experienced candidate in the race that will be able to help build a better East Orange. But I need your vote in order to do that. I'm asking you to come out in large numbers on June 4th. Make some history. East Orange is 150 years old, and they've never ever given a woman an opportunity to serve. I'm the right leader. I'm the right woman. I'm the right person. I'm the most experienced candidate in this race. And I'm the right person to lead the city of East Orange at this time. I humbly ask for your vote for myself, Carol Clark, for mayor, and the entire Line C team. Thank you, and God bless you.